Imagine stepping into a world where your words hold the power to shape your reality. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating principles of the law of attraction, a concept that many believe can bring significant transformations to one's life through the simple act of speaking. We'll explore how the deliberate use of words can activate this law, guiding you towards achieving your deepest desires. Let's unlock the secrets together, learning to harness this powerful tool effectively and positively. The law of attraction is not just a magical concept from self-help books. It's a powerful, universal principle that suggests we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. Whether it's the relationships we foster, the successes we achieve, or the general state of our well-being, this law plays a crucial role. At its core, the law of attraction uses the power of the mind to translate whatever is in our thoughts and materialize them into reality. The fundamental rule here is like attracts like. This means that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, one can bring positive or negative experiences into their life. This concept might sound simple, but it requires a deep understanding and genuine belief to effectively utilize. The law of attraction relies heavily on the vibrations of your thoughts. Every thought sends out a signal which affects your environment and the universe. These signals attract the circumstances that correspond to these thoughts. If you focus on doom and gloom, you will remain under that cloud. But if you focus on positive thoughts and have goals that you aim to achieve, you will find the means to achieve them with the actions you take. The impact that words have on our lives cannot be overstated. Words have the power to uplift, motivate, and change our mindset, and consequently our life. When we use positive language in our daily interactions, we begin to notice significant changes, not only in how others perceive us, but also in how we perceive ourselves and our abilities. This is not just about self-improvement, it's about transforming your entire existence one word at a time. Scientific studies support the transformative power of positive language. For instance, researchers have found that using positive words can actually change the structure and function of the brain. Words charged with positive emotion enhance cognitive functioning by activating vast areas of the brain. Positive words like peace and love can alter the expression of genes, strengthening areas in our frontal lobes and promoting the brain's cognitive functioning. They propel us towards rational thinking and a higher reasoning state, facilitating better handling of everyday situations. Understanding the power of words is crucial for anyone looking to harness the law of attraction. The words you choose to use can directly influence your emotional and physical environments and dictate the quality of your life. Hence, crafting your affirmations, statements that affirm something to be true with carefully selected words, is not just an art, but a necessary skill for practicing the law of attraction. It's about focusing these affirmations in the present tense to engage with your reality actively. For example, instead of saying, "I will be happy," affirm, "I am happy." This small linguistic tweak assumes that happiness is already a fact, not a distant future event, thus aligning your vibration with your desired state. Through this detailed exploration of the law of attraction and the deliberate application of powerful words, we can start to see how integral our speech and thoughts are in painting the canvas of our lives. While we proceed, remember that the words you choose to echo into your universe are powerful enough to craft the reality you experience. By understanding and applying this knowledge, you're setting the foundation for a more fulfilling and empowered life. Creating effective affirmations is much like planting seeds in fertile soil. It all begins with choosing the right words, words that resonate deeply with your personal aspirations and core beliefs. To craft an affirmation, start by clearly defining what you want to achieve. Your goals must be clear and expressed in positive terms. For instance, rather than focusing on overcoming fear or doubt, frame your affirmation around gaining confidence and certainty. Once your goal is clear, mold your affirmations using simple positive language. Remember, the subconscious mind is a literal and simple processor, which means it responds better to short, clear, and direct statements. Affirmations like, "I am successful in my endeavors," or "I am living in abundance," are potent because they are straightforward and focus directly on the desired state. The effectiveness of affirmations also relies heavily on the present tense. This might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for aligning your mindset with the reality you want to manifest. By stating your affirmation in the present tense, you create a sense of immediacy and reality, as if you are already experiencing what you desire. This helps to solidify the belief in your mind that your goal is not just a future possibility, but a present reality. Consistency is key when it comes to activating the law of attraction through affirmations. Integrating these affirmations into your daily routine can help establish a pattern of positive thinking and expectation. Setting aside specific times each day to repeat your affirmations can anchor them in your reality. Many find the morning to be an ideal time as it sets the tone for the day. Repeating affirmations like, "I am filled with energy and ready for a successful day," can propel you into your activities with positivity and purpose. Nightly practices are just as important. Before bed, reflecting on affirmations such as, "I am grateful for the successes of this day," can enhance feelings of gratitude and satisfaction, promoting a positive mindset even during sleep, when your subconscious continues to process and internalize your thoughts. In addition to specific times, integrating affirmations into regular daily activities can also be effective. For instance, while in front of a mirror, affirm your self-acceptance and self-love, or while exercising, empower your physical and mental health affirmations. This not only reinforces the affirmations, but also pairs them with actions, deepening their impact on your subconscious. By making affirmations a regular part of your life, you continuously feed your subconscious positive images and statements. This repeated action helps to rewire your brain, reinforcing the belief in the possibility of achieving your goals and continuously activating the law of attraction in your favor. Visualization is a crucial complement to your affirmations. It involves picturing in your mind the reality you wish to create, seeing it as vividly and in as much detail as possible. This technique goes hand in hand with the use of affirmations because while affirmations engage the verbal aspect of your mind, visualization engages the visual. This dual engagement creates a stronger, more immersive experience that signals to your brain that these desires are within reach. To practice effective visualization, find a quiet space where you can concentrate without interruptions, and close your eyes and imagine achieving your desired outcomes. Imagine everything in detail. Where are you? What are you doing? What does it feel like? For instance, if your affirmation is about being successful in your career, visualize yourself working in your ideal job environment, interacting with colleagues, and feeling the satisfaction of your achievements. The key is to involve all your senses and emotions to make the experience as real as possible. The success of using affirmations and visualization can be significantly heightened by emotional alignment. This means your emotions must match the positive affirmations you're declaring. It's not just about saying the words, it's about feeling them as true. Emotional alignment is what energizes your words and visualizations, turning them into a powerful magnet for attracting what you desire. To achieve emotional alignment, focus on the positive emotions that your affirmations inspire. If your affirmation is "I am peaceful," don't just repeat these words, truly feel the calm and tranquility they represent. If you find this challenging, you can start by recalling a memory that made you feel peaceful, then carry this emotion over as you say your affirmation. This practice helps to bridge the gap between mere repetition of words and truly living their meaning. Maintaining emotional alignment requires awareness and sometimes a shift in mindset. It involves constantly checking in with yourself to ensure that your emotions are not contradicting your thoughts. This might mean changing how you react to daily stressors or how you frame challenges in your life. By aligning your emotions with your affirmations, you reinforce the law of attraction and enhance its effectiveness in your life. One of the common hurdles in fully activating the law of attraction through powerful words is the presence of doubts and negative self-talk. These mental barriers can dilute the potency of your affirmations and visualizations. It's crucial to address and overcome these to ensure your mind remains a fertile ground for positive seeds. To combat doubts and negative talk, start by becoming more mindful of your thought patterns. Notice when negative thoughts arise and actively challenge them. Replace them with positive affirmations. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I can't do this," promptly replace it with, "I am capable and strong." This method is not about suppressing negative thoughts, but acknowledging them and then consciously deciding to shift to more constructive ones. Regular practice of this mindful replacement will gradually diminish the power of negative thoughts, making way for a more positive mental environment. This shift is vital for the law of attraction to operate effectively, as it relies on a positive mindset to manifest desires into reality. Maintaining momentum and using the law of attraction is essential for long-term success. This involves not only continuing with your affirmations and visualizations, but also adapting them as your circumstances and goals evolve. Persistence is key. The more consistently you practice these techniques, the more ingrained they become in your daily routine, and the more natural their effects will feel. To keep your momentum, set regular intervals, weekly or monthly, to review and adjust your affirmations. This reassessment helps keep your goals aligned with your current situation and aspirations. If your original affirmations centered on gaining confidence at work and you've achieved that, perhaps your new affirmations might focus on leadership roles or new professional challenges. Adapting your affirmations ensures they remain relevant and powerful. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Recognizing and appreciating the outcomes of your efforts reinforces the effectiveness of the law of attraction and encourages you to continue. This positive reinforcement loop not only boosts your morale, but also strengthens your belief in the process. Begin by simply sharing your approach in casual conversations or more structured settings like workshops or social media platforms. Your genuine experience and the visible changes in your life serve as powerful testimonies to the law of attraction's effectiveness. We've explored the transformative power of words and how they can effectively activate the law of attraction. By understanding and applying the principles of affirmations, visualization, and emotional alignment, you are equipped to bring positive changes into your life. Remember, the journey of self-improvement is ongoing, and maintaining your momentum is key to long-term success. If you found value in this video, please like and share it with others who might benefit from these techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies to help you live your best life. Together, let's continue to grow, inspire, and manifest our dreams into reality. Thank you for watching.